Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I am Jacob Letman. That was really weird. I have no idea where that came from, but you're chilling with me on the Rideshare Hub, so let's get down to it. If you haven't started driving for Uber or Lyft yet, that's cool. Drop down into the description below and click the link. You can get a sign-on bonus and start making money driving rideshare today. Do it. Okay. Hey, you know what we're going to do today for all of my drivers out there who have been driving? We're going to have a little cathartic get-together, sit-down, round-table discussion about pet peeves that we encounter as drivers. That's right. I'm going to throw 5 of them out there at you. If there's something that I missed, I would really love to hear what you have to say. Okay, so, yeah. Number 1, pet peeves. Passengers that tell me they're going to tip, and then they don't. I'm not really sure if they think that we can't see, who our ride was and whether or not they tipped. That's what I'm assuming. But it really bugs me when someone's like, hey, yeah, I'm going to take care of you through the app. I'm going to leave you a tip. Just don't even say that if you're not going to tip me. Just don't. Really bugs me. Dang. Number 2, passengers slamming my doors. Also, passengers not closing the door, but more so slamming the doors because it's like, not your vehicle, right? Not a taxi. This is my car. Please don't slam my door like that. Dang. Number 3, and actually this is my biggest pet peeve, and it is passengers that stink. I am not kidding you. I have had some people with horrendous BO. Oh, so bad. Like, I almost had to tell them, like, yeah, you gotta get out of my vehicle. What I do is I turn up the AC, and I directly point both of my vents right at my nose, and I sit forward so it just keeps hitting me right in the face. Oh, gosh, you stink. Terrible. Ugh. Number 4, passengers that spill things in my vehicle. Or eat. Yeah, both. Yeah, passengers that eat or spill drinks in my vehicle. Oh, my gosh. I just don't, you know what? Some people, they're just not respectful. You know what I'm saying? Nah. Don't eat or drink. Well, you can have a drink in my vehicle. Just don't spill it. I've had a lot of spilled stuff. And I'm not actually sure how to go about handling that. It wasn't enough where it was you puked, and I need a cleaning fee for it. But it's enough that it's annoying, and I have to stop, and then I have to clean my seat. So, how have you handled that? I'm curious. Drop down in the comment section. Let me know what you've done when people have spilled drinks in your vehicle. Okay, and number 5, and this is a good one to talk about, and that is waiting on passengers. Oh, boy. Multiple stops, and they tell you, hey, I'm just going to run in there, and I'll be back. So, I've got burned on that a lot. And as you know, as a driver, we don't make diddly squat sitting around not driving. Mileage is king. Mileage trumps time. Time is, I think it's 10 or 11 cents an hour now since it's been revised. It's stupid, whatever. Or a minute, sorry. 10 or 11 cents a minute. But regardless, I don't want to sit at Target and wait for 20 minutes, which I don't. This is where I've gotten to. This is my personal policy, and I would like to hear your thoughts as well. If someone has a stop, I say my personal policy is that I wait up to 5 minutes, and then I end the ride and move on with my life because I don't make anything. And most passengers are understanding of that. I think I've had a few that have gotten a little peeved about it, but whatevs. It is your business, and it's within the policies to do so. And so if you have someone that's put multiple stops on their ride, what I do is I tell them up front, I say, hey, it looks like you got some stops. I have a 5-minute waiting policy, so that's just my personal policy. And what you can do is, if you're stopped and waiting, okay, and you hit arrived at stop number 1, and if it's gone past the 5 minutes, what you can do is you can say, passenger is ready to go, yes, yes, and then you can go click arrived at stop number 2 and finish the ride. And that's how you can get out of it, to just end the ride, so you still get paid for the driving that you've done, but you don't have to sit around and wait and wait and wait and not make any money. And it's also happened to me driving late night, and people are like, hey, will you take us through the drive-thru at Jack in the Box? It's 2 a.m. and there's 800 people in line. Oh. Just hurts my heart. It's so worthless. Such a waste of time. Okay, again, like I said, you guys, if you have any thoughts or any pet peeves that I missed, this is kind of fun as drivers to be able to rant about this stuff. So jump down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts and feedback. Feel free to like this video if you liked it. And you can follow me on the gram. I'm Jacob, or at Jacob.Letman. That's me. Follow the Rideshare Hub on Instagram, at Rideshare Hub. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time. Take care.